Hey everybody, this is Patrick Durkin from the Wellness Enterprise, and I am here to announce the Metasomer Telomerase Natural Skin Cream Challenge. So here's the way it works. I've been around a lot of products and a lot of companies. I've been in big companies and little companies. I've seen scientists and engineers, and it seems like everybody's saying what's good for them. And who knows if it's good for you? I want to know if I represent something, whether it's good for you and it makes a difference in your life. So we're doing a challenge where you get to tell us whether this skin cream is the best cream ever. We know from launching Nano Soma, the spray, 5, 6 months ago, that the product is fantastic. We know that the gel is great. I have an age spot on the side of my head. My doctor told me I'd have it for the rest of my life. It was about as thick as a nickel. I started putting the gel on it, and after just a couple of weeks, about 80% of the spot was gone. It like shrunk down so it's flat against my head. I don't even really see it or feel it anymore. I still put some gel on to see if it'll go away all the way. But I want to know with the cream, is it going to make a difference like that for you? And so what we're going to do is we're going to offer you a 10% coupon for your first purchase of the skin cream. And we're going to ask you to take before photos before you use the product. And then when you're done using the product, take after photos and leave us a review. And for those of you that love the product, we are going to give you a reward just for posting a review, doing before and after photos and a review. That is amazing. And we're going to tell you what that is when you complete your review, but I promise that if you like the product, you're going to love the reward. So you guys tell us, get some of this skin cream by the makers of Nano Soma and let us know, does it make a difference in your life? And then we'll tell the world what you tell us. All right? Thanks so much for your interest.